This spring, CTA is taking the next major step in improvement work on the Ravenswood Connector, a project that will improve the speed and reliability of the elevated part of the L between Armitage and the Loop, currently used by the Brown Line and Purple Line Express. Originally built in the late 19th century as part of the new L line from the Loop to Wilson, service began over the Ravenswood Connector in 1900. Today, the structure's condition has resulted in numerous slow zones, areas where trains are required to operate at slower than normal speeds because of track conditions. In September 2013, major improvement work began on the Ravenswood Connector to eliminate slow zones on the structure, which required trains to operate at maximum speeds of 15 miles per hour. How will the second phase of improvement work impact Brown and Purple Line customers? Between April and fall of 2015, 13 weekend Brown Line reroutes will be required in order to replace or repair rails, ties, signal equipment, and various components between the Armitage and Merchandise Mart stops. On select weekends, starting April 10th, Brown Line trains will be rerouted to the Red Line subway between Fullerton and downtown. Trains will operate normally between Kimball and Fullerton. Free shuttle buses will operate between Fullerton and Clark and Lake, making stops at or near the affected stations. And a shuttle train will operate around the Loop, providing connections between Brown Line service and the subway to all Loop stations, as well as shuttle buses at Clark and Lake. The rehabilitation project is a $90 million investment on a key segment of the Brown and Purple Lines, used by about 700 trains on a typical weekday. The work will eliminate more than 2 miles of slow zones. Major track work began in 2014, which included replacing deteriorated rail ties and track components. When complete, nearly 40,000 customers who take the Brown and Purple Line trains to the Loop each weekday will enjoy faster and more reliable service.